Welcome to I4Math, a perfect guide for CBSE Class 12 Mathematics. Learn every concept clearly and score more marks in the board examination. To get more videos like this, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. And don't forget to hit the like button. Find the vector equation of the line passing through the point 1, 2, minus 4 and perpendicular to the two lines. X minus 8 by 3 which is equal y plus 19 by minus 16 which is equal z minus 10 by 7 and x minus 15 by 3 which is equal y minus 29 by 8 which is equal z minus 5 divided by minus 5. The equation of the line passing through this point 1, 2, minus 4 is r vector which is equal a vector, that is 1 I cap plus 2j cap minus 4k cap plus lambda into b vector. B vector we don't know, let us find it. So let us take b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap, where b vector which is equal b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. Actually, the b vector is a parallel vector for this line r vector equal I cap plus 2j cap minus 4k cap plus lambda into b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. Consider this is our required line. There are two lines are given to you. One line is perpendicular to our required line. The other line is also perpendicular to our required line. So let us write the given lines. X minus 8 by 3 which is equal y plus 19 whole divided by minus 16 which is equal z minus 10 divided by 7 and x minus 15 divided by 3 which is equal y minus 29 by 8 which is equal z minus 5 divided by minus 5. Consider this is equation number 1 and this is called equation number 2. This is equation 3 and this is equation number 4. See, equation 1 and equation 3 are perpendicular to each other. Equation 1 whose direction ratios are b1, b2, b3. Equation 3 whose direction ratios are 3, minus 16, 7. So what we can write? 3 into b1 minus 16 into b2 plus 7 into b3 which is equal 0. Similarly, from the equation number 4 and 1 we can write b1 into 3, 8 into b2 minus 5 into b3 which is equal 0. So consider this is equation number 5 and this is equation number 6. Solving 5 and 6 by cross multiplication method. So from equation 5 we can take the middle element minus 16 and then 7 and then 3 and then minus 16. From the equation 6 the middle element is 8 and then minus 5 and then 3 and then 8. Now let us do the cross multiplication. Consider this is b1 and this is b2 and then this is b3. So b1 divided by minus 16 into 5, that is plus 80. And then in this direction we have to take one minus extra. So minus 8 sevens are 56. Next b2 divided by 7 threes are 21. In this direction one minus extra. So minus into minus plus 5 threes are 15. Next b3 divided by 3 8s are 24 plus 3 16. 3 into 16, 4, 48. So B1 divided by 80 minus 56, that is 24. B2 divided by 21 plus 15, that is 36. B3 divided by 24 plus 48. 40 plus 20 is 60 plus 68 plus 4, 72. Now cancel by 12. So B1 divided by 24, cancel by 12. B1 divided by 24 by 12, that is 2 times. B2 divided by 36 divided by 12, 3 times. B3 divided by 72 divided by 12, that is 6 times. Therefore, the required line is equation number 1 implies R vector which is equal I cap plus 2j cap minus 4k cap plus lambda into B1 I cap, but B1 is 2, so 2 I cap, and then B2 j cap, B2 is 3, so 3 j cap, and then B3 is 6 k cap. Actually here B1, B2, B3 are not exactly 2, 3, 6, they are proportional values. We can use the proportional values for B1 and B2 and B3. So R vector which is equal I cap plus 2j cap minus 4k cap plus lambda into 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap is a line passing through the point 1, 2, 4. At the same time, it is perpendicular to for both the given lines x minus 8 by 3 which is equal y plus 19 by minus 16 which is equal z minus 10 by 7 and x minus 15 by 3 which is equal y minus 29 by 8 which is equal to z minus 5 divided by minus 5.